morning traders, this is the daily commentary. Markets and the Fed shift their attention towards the release of the latest US CPI print. PBOC decided to keep its one-year MLF rate unchanged at the 2.5% level and disappointed those who foresaw further easing. Silver gears up to challenge the recent one-month high and have another shot at breaking into record high levels. Aussie traders brace for Australia's employment report in tomorrow's early Asian session. US equity finished another session in the greens yesterday, closing in dangerously to the recent record highs. The yen remains predisposed for further weakness ahead of Japan's first quarter GDP data. Stacked day ahead for Euro traders as the bloc releases its latest industrial production, GDP and employment data.